Now, a ladder stitch is what we use for sewing dolls together, dolls' legs, the openings of dolls' legs, teddy bears. And knitters use it to sew their garments up. It's a great stitch and it's virtually invisible. It's virtually invisible, but I'm going to use black thread so you can see how I do the stitch. Double thread, because it's really strong, we need it to be really strong, and a knot at the end. And you just shimmy your knot on the wrong side of your fabric. Let me just take these out of the way so you can see. This sometimes confuses people, but it's a great knot to have in your repertoire. Just cast on. I've got a knot and I'm stitching on top, so it's nice and firm. You wouldn't use black thread, girls, remember that. You'd use matching thread. Now I'm going to I'm going to scoop across the top, then I'm going to scoop across the bottom. Do about 3 stitches. You can do quite large stitches, they don't have to be minute. And when you've done about 3 stitches, you can see why it's called ladder stitch, can you? Ladder. And what you're going to do is pull that really, really tightly, and you see it's even with black thread, it's virtually invisible. I'll just sew some more stitches for you. So I do about 3 at a time. 1, oops, get them out of the way. I'm using quilting thread, and you can see I am, because it's a little bit wiry. But do not use old Granny's cottons. You might like the vintage feel, but Granny's cottons have been exposed to the light and they will absolutely break. They're no good to use at all, so please don't use your Granny's cottons. You can keep the reels and use them for decoration. And you see those lovely little ladder stitches? Now when you pull tight, they virtually disappear. So you carry on all the way around the outside edge. You see, just where you come out of the bottom, go across the top. No slanting, they should look like a real nice ladder. Now when you've sewn that together all the way around, if you think it's a little bit untidy, you could go around again with a smaller stitch, but to me that's pretty good. Okay, so that's your 2 little cardboard pin keepers sewn together.